Hi, this is Katina, and in this product review, I am going to show you food watercolor markers. So I wanted to get food grade markers for my students so that we can work on accurate articulations. And what we can do with these, let's go with green. We can mark the reed, and I can say, listen, where are you tonguing the reed? Show me. And then they can show me where they're tonguing, and I can say, so this is your ideal spot. So right about here. Okay, so we're gonna say maybe right there is a good spot, depending on what you're playing, to be articulating on the reed. Tonguing on the reed can be a very difficult concept for some new students. So then you have them try it. I have spare reeds, not used reeds, that's disgusting, but I have reed samples that I can give out to students so that we can do this exercise if they don't want to use their own reeds. So here it is on the mouthpiece. Let me see if I'm doing it. And then you can check and see whether or not they're tonguing on the reed, because they should have a green tip or whatever color you use on their tongue. So you can see also where I smeared it. Let me see if I can get this to focus on that right there. So, and I notice that when I articulate too, I start there, but then I move up. So I do tongue higher than that on my reed. This is really good for people that aren't getting the concept of tonguing on the reed. They're doing that throat thing that they do, or some people will stop the air. Other people anchor tongue, so instead of using the tip of their teeth, or tip of their tongue, sorry, they put it behind their teeth and tongue with the middle of their tongue. So this is another way you can help with the concept of articulations. I just didn't want to use a pen or a regular Sharpie that some people use. Anyway, so let me know what technique you use to help articulate on the reed, or if you're a teacher, how do you help your students articulate better on the reed? I'd love to know what your ideas are. Anyway, so I have the food grade markers. I got them from Michael's. You can also get pretty much everything on Amazon.com by now. But anyway, let me know what works for you, especially with problem solving stuff like this. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and have a wonderful day. Bye.